Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learner's Choice. Today our topic for discussion is topological sorting. So let's start. I believe the best way to understand anything is by solving it. Here, as you all see, I have taken an example, a question which states that find the topological order for this graph. And see, here I have drawn a graph. To start with topological sorting, we need to know few terms. The first one is in degree. What is in degree? Number of edges coming to a vertex. Like, for example, here 1 is a vertex. Is there any edge that is coming to 1? The answer is no. So 1 has 0 in degree. Let's take the 2 vertex. Is there any edge that is directed towards 2? The answer is yes. See, from 1, an edge is coming towards 2. So the in degree of 2 is 1, and so on. The second thing that we need to know is out degree, that is, number of edges outgoing from a vertex. For example, in this graph, again let's take an example of the 1 vertex. Is there any edge that is going out from 1? Yes, there are 2 edges, number 1 and number 2. One is going towards 2, another is going towards 3. So we can say that one has 2 out degree. And one last thing that we need to know is this topological sorting is only applicable for directed acyclic graph, that we in short called DAG, and not for directed cyclic graph like this. And why is it so? We will discuss at the end of this video. So please watch it to the end. So viewers, as we all see, I have redrawn this graph that was mentioned in our question once again. And this graph mentioned in the question is going to be our first stage. I have written it here, first stage. In this stage, we will mention the in degrees of each vertex. What is in degree? The number of edges coming towards the vertex. 1 has 0 in degree, 2 has 1 in degree, 3 has 1 in 2 in degree, 4 has this and this, 2 in degree, and 5 has 1 in degree. The rule for topological sorting is the vertex with 0 in degree, its edges should be removed. So here 1 has 0 in degree. So in the second stage, the edges of one vertex should be removed. Let me redraw it again. Second stage. This is our one vertex. This is 2, 3, 4, and then 5. As we have mentioned that we will remove the edges of the vertex which has 0 in degree, that is 1. So we will redraw it without drawing the edges of this one vertex. So let's see how it looks. Here, 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 and that's it. And let's again mention the in degrees. 1, it's now changes to 1, 4 has still 2 in degree, and 5 has 1 in degree. Well done. And if you guys want, then you can also mention that since 1 has 0 in degree, so its edges has been removed. If you want, you can mention it. Once again, in the third stage, let me write it first. In the third stage, we will remove the edges of the vertex which has 0 in degree. I'm sorry. The 2 has now 0 in degree. As we see here, there is no edges that is coming towards 2. So Z2 will have 0 in degree. Pardon me. Let's redraw the graph. Number 1 vertex. number 2 vertex, 3, here 4, then 5. Remove the edges of 2. There are 2 edges coming from 2, so remove them. So what we have left with is this and just this. Let's again mention the remaining vertexes in degrees. See, it changes to 1. It now changes to 0 and 5 has 1 in degree. Similarly, in 4th stage, we will do the same thing. Let's see, 3 has 0 in degrees, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you can write it like this now because it has no edges. 4 and 5. And let us see what is the in degree actually. 4 has now 0 in degree, 5 also has 0 in degree. So viewers, now we can see that 4 and 5 both has 0 in degrees. So for this directed acyclic graph, there are 2 possible topological orders, which we are going to write in the 5th stage. One, then 2, and 3. Either you can write first 4, then 5. This is one topological order, or 1, 2, 3, first 5, then 4, as you choose. So these are the 2 possible topological orders which are going to be our final answer for this directed acyclic graph. So now we are going to see why topological sorting is not applicable for directed cyclic graph like shown in front of you. See, cyclic. Just like the previous example, here also in the first stage, I have mentioned that in degrees of each vertices 1, 2, 2, 0 and 0. And exactly like the previous example, in our second stage, what we are going to do? We are going to remove the edges of the vertices which have 0 in degrees. So let's redraw the graph again. This one goes 4 and then 5. We have removed the edges of the vertices 4 and 5 because they have 0 in degrees. Now let's rewrite the in degrees of 1, 2 and 3 vertices. 1, 1 and 1. Now viewers, we can see that no more vertices has 0 in degrees. As I have written here, no vertices has 0 in degrees. But we need 0 in degree of any vertices to move further as per the rule of topological sorting. Thus, from here we can't move further, and that's why topological sorting is not applicable for directed cyclic graphs. See, directed cyclic graphs. Thank you viewers for watching my video. Please like this video, share with your friends who have some problem with this topological sorting. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Learner's Choice. And also to let me know how much you like this video, the comment box is below and is open for all. Thank you very much once again. Have a nice day.